Water Restoration Technician, the most popular certification in our industry today. We hope that you'll choose us, and here's why. Over your 3-day certified class with the Center for Disaster Recovery, you're going to learn and know exactly how to manage and apply techniques for all 3 categories of water, learn exactly what the 4 classes of water are defined by, how to utilize psychrometry, how to effectively document your loss, also how to manage overall equipment, calculations, how many do I use, and of course the effective setup to give you the drying result that you need. This class is going to not only teach and train effective techniques in mitigation and emergency services, but overall how to handle paperwork and of course the customer expectations. Train with us today and get the results you deserve. See you soon.